Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will grill a spicy and delicious meal. We will use beef and pork with some fattier parts. We mince the meat, next we add the spices. We will crush some coriander seeds, red and black pepper, some dried onion flakes, and a few juniper berries. When done, we add them to the meat and we season with salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, oregano, and some Dijon mustard. We mix everything well together. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of baking soda to make it more tender and juicy. Next we portion it with our hands and we grill it. You can add them onto a stick if you want. It's up to you. The end result is a delicious, tender and juicy meat. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.